Welcome back. Well, we're talking more cold air on the way, but this will warm me up as we head into next week. We're talking milder temperatures in the 8 to 14 day period. In fact, let's take this graphic full. But on top of the warmer weather going into next week, we are talking about wetter conditions and maybe big soaking rains. More on that in just a bit. But the big story today, here it comes, another one, an Arctic shot coming straight from the Canadian prairies, delivering winter weather to our north, and for us it's going to be hard freezes again as we head into tomorrow night and also Saturday night. I don't think we get too far into the teens. Most areas, I think 20 to 26 will be the low this time around. Thereafter, much milder conditions, and I do not see cold air up until maybe about Mardi Gras. We might see colder air returning around then, but that's a long-range forecast. We'll dispense with that and forget you ever heard it, because things always change. Now, on the satellite imagery, plenty of clouds across Acadiana, farther to the north, clear skies, and we've had a few showers with that, what we call a warm air advection pattern. You notice our temperatures got into the mid-60s today, so that warmer air kind of providing a little atmospheric lift and laden with moisture. So we had a spotty showers across the area as expected. Activity pretty much isolated in nature south of Morgan City, moving into the basin, and then up here towards St. Landry Parish along Highway 190 on northward. Those showers moving out. Should be a dry evening, a relatively mild evening before our cold front gets on through tonight. And here we go again. The National Weather Service raising a hard freeze watches for the I-10 parishes on northward. That'll change to a hard freeze warning once again. Those are in effect from northeast Louisiana into Mississippi and Alabama. Freeze watch for southeastern Alabama. We've already had a Louisiana. We've already had freezes here all the way down to the coast, so there's not a real necessity for freeze watches locally, but hard freeze warnings or watches, they're important because those are the ones that threaten our pipes. But this one, not as big a pipe threatener, but you'll have to take precautions for sure. So the front bangs on through overnight tonight. Lingering clouds first thing in the morning. It's going to be windy and colder. Temperatures holding mostly in the 40s. Wind chills tomorrow during the day, mid to upper 30s to lower 40s. And then tomorrow night, the coldest air gets here will be in the mid to upper 20s. Your wind chills are going to be in the teens. And then as we move into Saturday afternoon, we do not get out of the 40s in spite of full sunshine. But remember, we had a day with full sunshine earlier in the week, and we didn't get above 32 degrees in Lafayette. So this is not as cold, but still it's going to be pretty darn cold. Then Sunday, we start in the mid to upper 20s, then clouds coming in. And next week, promising rain events. So one Monday night into Tuesday, another one Tuesday into Wednesday, another one perhaps late Thursday into Friday. So you get the idea. And the rain tallies are going to be piling up between the GFS and the Euro. They are very wet over the next 10 days. And this comes mostly next week. Hopefully the worst of it manifests offshore, where we're looking at a 5-inch rainfall or better, but that's accumulated over days. But that means we could see isolated areas double that. And the GFS was off the charts. We'll get an update on that one coming in at 6 o'clock. We'll see how consistent it was with the earlier model run. For tonight, though, temperatures getting back down into the mid to upper 30s, so not below freezing, but there's going to be a wind chill tomorrow morning. So bundle the kids on up if you're sending them on out. Upper 30s to lower 40s, I-10 corridor, and pretty much lower 40s across the coastal parishes as well. Temperatures moderate tomorrow, very little in the 40s and 50s. Then tomorrow night, you see that cold air settling in and those wind chills dipping down into the teens for Saturday morning. So overnight tonight, we'll call it a mild early evening, turning windy and cooler after midnight and before daybreak. Gusty northerly to northwesterly winds kick in. And then we'll be looking at tomorrow, the clouds clearing out during the morning hours. It's going to be a chilly winter day for sure. Wind chills staying in the 35 to 45 range. Those winds gusting 30 to 35, but they'll settle down a little bit as we head into the weekend. So a chilly weekend ahead, cold but not as frigid. And then look at this, rain chances ramping up, and they stay up on any given day and or night, by the way, as we go through next weekend perhaps as well. But it will be mild, highs in the upper 60s to lower 70s. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more coming up right after the break.